In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a course on Coursera. Whether you're reorganizing your learning path or simply decluttering your list of courses, unenrolling from a course is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to navigate your account with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Coursera account. Head over to the Coursera website and enter your login details. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to click on the My Learning tab. This section is designed to be your personal hub, showing you a comprehensive list of all your courses, those still in progress, as well as the ones you've already completed. In my case, this account is specifically for tutorial purposes, so I don't have any active courses listed. However, the steps we're about to discuss are the same for everyone, so even if your dashboard looks a little different, don't worry, it's all quite intuitive. Now, if you're looking to cancel a course that's currently in progress, start by finding the course you want to remove. Each course will appear as a card on your screen. Keep an eye on the upper right corner of that particular course card. You'll notice a 3 dots icon, often referred to as a menu icon. Clicking on this will open up a small drop-down menu. From those options, you'll want to select Unenroll. Once you click Unenroll, a confirmation box will appear. This is an important step, a quick way for Coursera to make sure that unenrolling from this course is indeed your intention. Simply go ahead and click Yes, Unenroll. This will confirm your action. After you've confirmed, the page will refresh automatically and you'll see that your course has now been removed from your active list of courses. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled a course on Coursera. If you found the tutorial easy to follow and helpful, it would really mean a lot if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll also want to tap the bell icon. This way, you'll be notified whenever I upload new tutorials, ensuring you stay updated and informed. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.